Hey everyone, today in this video, I'm going to show you how to restart the Narwal Flow 2. If you're interested in the Flow 2, the link to it will be in the video description, where you'll find links to our top robot vacuum, wet dry vacuum, and cordless vacuum cleaner picks, as well as our daily vacuum deals website. So on the Flow 2, up at the top, we have our vacuum on. You can hear it spinning a little bit. So to restart, this is a simple power cycle. We'll be turning it off and back on. So make sure your ring is illuminated. We're going to press and hold. About 2 seconds. It says powering off. We'll wait for the light to go off and the spinning to stop. Okay, there we go. The unit is now off. And we'll give it another second or two. And then to complete the restart, we're just going to press and hold the power button for about 2 more seconds. And then it's going to boot back up and initialize, and it's turning back on. That's how you restart the Narwal Flow 2.